Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can share PowerPoint presentation in Google Meet. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Google Meeting and as you can see, I have created a virtual meeting and I'm going to share my PowerPoint presentation to this meeting. If you want to share our screen, we can go to this section right here, present now. Just tap on this symbol and then you can choose either you want to share Chrome tab, window, or entire screen. But before you click on this option, make sure you have prepared your PowerPoint presentation. Here I have prepared my PowerPoint and I'm going to select window and I'm going to select my PowerPoint like this, and once we're ready to share it, we can click on share. And then the PowerPoint presentation will be shared to the meeting. And if you want to stop the presenting or the sharing, you can click on stop sharing right here. Okay, and the share screen will be stopped automatically. Okay guys, and that's all the way to share PowerPoint presentation to Google Meet. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.